Welcome to the Limitless family. I'm Rebekah.
And I'm Chris, and we've been traveling with our two kids, Noah and Riley, back home to Florida from Barcelona, Spain.
I showed you our first cruise port, which was Malaga, and then last week we were in the Azores, and this week we are 12 days into our cruise, and we are in the Bahamas.
And we haven't hit land in a week at this point, so we are just so happy to see land. We really wanted to go to Atlantis because we were there a few years ago. The kids loved it, however, they don't really remember it, so we wanted to take them back.
But unfortunately, being last-minute planners that we are, we did not book Atlantis, and it ended up being full before we were able to. So our second choice, which ended up being amazing, was, what is it?
Baha Bay at Baha Mar Resort, which we were back and forth about going to the Pig Island or going here, going there. But the kids, after 3 months, 4 months out of the country, they wanted to be rewarded with some water slides.
Yeah, they deserved it.
I can't wait to get off of the boat because then I can go on all 30 attractions in the water park. Okay.
Oh, well, that didn't take long.
This is giving her home vibes.
Back in the warmth? You like being back in the warmth? The super fun, hectic part of cruising. Baha Bay has over 30 attractions, and they are all awesome. But rather than show you all 30, we want to show you some of our favorites.
Yeah, and one more thing. We did not have to wait in any sort of line, and I don't know if we just totally lucked out, but that was also a major pro for us. We got right on the slides, and the kids and Chris went up and down. I don't know how many times. I sat in a wonderful chair for about half that, and it was lovely.
What's going on back here?
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Can your puppets tell us what your favorite slide was?
Yes, my favorite slide was the big giant Hammerhead slide.
Hammerhead?
As much as I absolutely love Atlantis, I have to say that Baha Bay was a little bit more set up for amputees. And what I mean by that is Atlantis is just massive and you end up walking so much, and then you get to the big water slide only to have to walk up a million stairs. Now, you're gonna have stairs with all the water slides, but at least at Baha Bay, you're able to cut your walking distance in half at least, and you don't feel like you're expending so much energy just walking to the attraction.
Yeah, it's closer everything's closer proximity.
So much closer. So that was nice.
It ended up being great because the water slides at Baha Bay are sick.
We just got stoned! Oh no! It was just high. Do you need help? No. You got it? Here you go! Oh my God! did like.
Yeah.
At one point, I like grabbed her to make sure
I thought we were gonna flip.
We're on the Cyclone Rush. Riley, hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That was awesome. Woo! Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Go.
What are we supposed to be doing, Ra?
Me and Mom just got stuck in this little corner. Dad and Riley are way back there.
Somebody's super competitive and wanting to race in the very slow, lazy river.
Hey, let go. What is this? What's going on here? Let go, ma'am.
If you're looking for something that's more laid back and maybe less people, we highly encourage you to check out Baha Bay. Our family had an incredible adventure, and this not only wrapped up our time in the Bahamas, but this wrapped up this part of the journey as a whole. So we want to thank each and every one of you that has come along since the beginning when we first started in Bali in September, and we've just had an amazing time showcasing our memories, and we can't wait for what's to come.